Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Jason. How are you today?
Hi, Lily. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. I've been thinking a lot about my future and my dreams lately, and I'd love to share my ideas with you. What are some of your dreams for the future?
I have many dreams, Lily. I want to finish my studies, get a good job in technology, and travel around the world. I also dream of learning new languages and meeting people from different cultures. How about you?
That's wonderful, Jason. I dream of becoming a teacher one day. I want to help children learn and grow. I also plan to study more about education and art, and I hope to travel to different countries to learn about their teaching methods and cultures.
Being a teacher is a very noble dream. I think education can change many lives. What made you choose teaching?
I've always loved working with children, and I enjoy sharing knowledge. When I was younger, I had a teacher who inspired me a lot, and that is why I want to do the same. I also enjoy art and creativity, so I want to bring that into my classroom.
That sounds very inspiring, Lily. I admire your passion. For me, my dream is to work in computer science. I want to become a software engineer and maybe develop an app that can help people in their daily lives.
I think that is a great goal, Jason. Technology is changing the world, and your ideas can make a big difference. Do you have any short-term plans to work toward that dream?
Yes, I do. My plan is to study hard this semester, improve my programming skills, and join a coding club at the university. I also want to take online courses in Python and Java. What about you, Lily? Do you have any plans for your future studies?
I plan to study education and art more deeply. I want to join a teacher training program and also attend workshops on creative teaching methods. I believe that by learning new techniques, I can become a better teacher.
That is a smart idea. I think small steps are very important. For example, learning one programming language at a time can help me build a strong foundation.
I agree. I try to set small goals every day, like learning 5 new words in a language or practicing a new art technique. Each small step brings me closer to my dream.
Absolutely. When I complete a small project or get a good grade, I feel motivated to work harder. Sometimes I write in a journal about my goals and progress. Do you do that?
Yes, I do. I keep a journal where I write down my goals, the things I want to learn, and my achievements. It helps me stay positive and see my progress over time.
That's a great habit, Lily. I think writing down our dreams makes them more real and gives us a clear plan.
Exactly. I also talk with my family and friends about my dreams. Their support makes me feel more confident about my future.
I feel the same way. My family always encourages me to follow my dreams, even when things are difficult. Their support is very important.
Do you ever face challenges that make you doubt your goals, Jason?
Sometimes I feel nervous about the future, especially when I have a hard project or a difficult exam. But I try to remind myself that every challenge is a chance to learn and grow. When I fail, I learn from my mistakes and try again.
I understand. I sometimes worry about whether I can become a good teacher or learn all the art techniques I want to master. But then I remember that it is okay to make mistakes and learn slowly.
Yes, mistakes are part of the learning process. I think we should always be patient with ourselves. Every little progress is important.
I agree. I also set reminders for myself and make small to-do lists. For example, today I plan to study a new art lesson for 1 hour and practice drawing simple shapes.
That's a very good plan. I try to schedule my study time too. I usually study for 1 hour and then take a short break. It helps me stay focused and not feel too tired.
Time management is very important. I think if we organize our day well, we can achieve our dreams more easily.
Absolutely. I also try to balance my studies with my hobbies. When I have free time, I like to play football or listen to music. It makes me feel refreshed and ready to study again.
I feel the same. I like to go for a walk or listen to soft music when I need a break. It helps me relax and clear my mind.
Do you have any travel dreams, Lily?
Yes, I do. I dream of traveling to Europe and Asia. I want to see famous museums, try local foods, and learn about different cultures. Traveling will help me become a more open and understanding person.
That is wonderful. I also want to travel a lot. I plan to visit Japan, Italy, and maybe Spain. I think traveling can inspire me and give me new ideas for projects.
Traveling is a great way to learn. I believe that each country has something unique to offer, and I want to experience as many as possible.
I agree. Every trip is like a new lesson. It helps me understand the world better.
So, to reach our dreams, we need to work hard every day, set small goals, and be patient with ourselves.
Yes, and we should also support each other. Talking about our dreams makes me feel more motivated. I think sharing ideas with friends can make our journey easier.
I completely agree, Jason. I hope we can continue to share our progress and help each other along the way.
Let's do that. Maybe we can meet every month to talk about our goals and any new challenges we face.
That sounds like a great idea. It will be nice to see how far we have come and to plan for the future together.
I'm excited about the future now, even though there are challenges. I believe that with hard work and support, we can achieve our dreams.
Me too. I feel that every day is a new opportunity to learn and grow. I'm grateful for the small steps I take because they add up over time.
Exactly. I always tell myself that even a small progress is still progress. I like to celebrate little wins, like finishing a good project or understanding a difficult topic.
Celebrating small successes is very important. It gives me more energy to continue working toward my goals.
I also try to learn something new every day, whether it is a new word in a language or a new technique in coding. Every bit of knowledge helps me reach my dream.
That is a great attitude, Jason. I think we should always be curious and never stop learning.
I agree, Lily. With a positive mindset and determination, our dreams will become reality.
Thank you for this conversation, Jason. Talking about our dreams makes me feel hopeful and motivated.
Thank you, Lily. I enjoyed our chat very much. I feel more confident about my future now.
Let's keep in touch and share our progress. I look forward to hearing about your new projects and maybe joining some activities together.
I would like that very much, Lily. I wish you the best of luck with your studies and your journey to become a teacher.
And I wish you success with your programming and future travels, Jason.
Have a wonderful day, and let's keep dreaming big.
You too, Jason. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Lily.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.